Why, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And this is...
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
Japan!
Yep, this is from Japan. This comes from Japan Crate. They have these things called Umai crates. That's one of these. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so when you get one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is one of these informative pamphlets. And as you can see, this is the April 2021 Umai crate. Inside, there is information about everything that comes in the box. Now, if you don't know how to read the instructions in Japanese on what flavor or variety and the directions on how to cook them, you're going to be in trouble. So this is definitely indispensable. Don't lose it. You also get a recipe card. So I'm going to go through everything in the box one by one, and yeah. First off, we've got some Kazami Aje Tofu Udon Noodle. Yeah, this is from Yamamoto Saifun. Their stuff's usually pretty good, so yeah, these are decent bowls, good quality, and nice flavors. Next up from Itomen, we've got some Asari Dashi Ramen Salt Taste. So basically this is going to be a clam shio variety. There's pictures of clams on the bowl. So I believe I've had this one before, and the Itomen line of bowls are pretty good. So, yeah. Next up, we've got a bag of Harusame Noodles. These are what you might know as glass noodles. They're just like a very standard noodle that you're going to see around. I've never actually used them or cooked with them, so this will be kind of interesting. And then we've got some tenkatsu. Tenkatsu is basically just deep fried little nuggets of flour batter, and yeah, they're good, like a little crunchy topping that you can put in ramen, especially in udon. It makes more sense there, but yeah, kind of almost like little tempura balls. Good stuff. This is a favorite of mine. This is from Sakurai Foods, and last month they had the shoyu, and now they've got the vegetarian miso. And I'm hoping next month you'll get to try the vegetarian soy milk one, because that one's where it's at. This one's pretty good though. It's got a nice miso flavor, and the noodles are great. And here's one from Itsuki. This is their small udon matsutake mushroom taste. Basically a little bowl of mushroom-flavored udon soup. So this one is a misprint in the pamphlet. This is saying this is non-cup kitsune udon. This is actually... Oh, what's the brand on this? These are Higashimaru, and I think this is the non-spicy Kagoshima Tonkatsu. Super good stuff. Last month they had the spicy one. Yeah, you will not be disappointed, and it's alright for vegans. So they've been putting a lot of this brand stuff in there. I can't remember the name of the brand, because if you look you really have to dig to figure out what brand this is. But it's kind of almost like a souvenir ramen. This is a Hakata Tonkatsu ramen for vegetarians. A lot of the stuff that they include in these Umai crates are vegetarian. And one thing about that makes sense for that, you're not gonna... Most varieties over in Japan have pork in them, right? So you can't import pork from Japan, or you can, but you run the risk of customs getting a hold of it and confiscating it or destroying it. So there are a lot of very good ramen that come from Japan that are vegetarian and approximate the same flavor. This is probably going to be one of those. This brand has really tasty stuff. So, yeah, we will see. Then now it's time for the bonus item. This month, the bonus item is pepperoncino pasta powder. A powder-type pasta sauce that can be easily made by simply mixing it with freshly boiled pasta with fresh garlic and sliced pepper for a quick lunch or dinner. That sounds good. Alright, so in this, the April 2021 Umai crate, you get pasta powder, Kagoshima tonkatsu, a crunchy garnish, shroom udon, something a little clammy, something from Yamamoto flour milling, Hakata tonkatsu, vegan miso, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Oh yeah, and Harusame Noodle. Okay, cool. If you want to get one of these Umai crates, shoot on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. And yeah, these are neat boxes. So yeah, maybe you'd like one or know somebody else who would. And this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Me.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.